You see that coming down the stairs? Why can I never get this shit off my shoe? Whatever that sound was, I'm going. Brandon here with Nick, and today we are exploring the abandoned Gillies factory in Bendigo.
Basically someone died on a conveyor belt or something. We're actually not too sure what happened, but apparently someone did die here. It's a bit haunted, and we're going to hopefully go in there and see some shit.
Oh, we're going. We gotta go.
Let's get it.
Let's go, let's go. Someone with the flashlight, someone with the flashlight. Go, go. You go down, you go down. Someone should go. Here you go, my bag. Fuck. Did you do it? I yeeted my fucking shoulder that hard.
I just heard someone talk. What? What is that? Why are we going close? What is that? That's how I thought before. Oh, that's the dripping sound. Get in the car.
All the bitches out there with no Valentine, happy Valentine's Day. Love the boys from ANC. Yeah. Keep walking on all this fucking shit. Someone's been here. What's that? What was that? What was that?
What was that name?
I know. I heard a pin drop. Did you hear a pin drop? Did you hear a pin drop?
Yeah. What the fuck was that?
What's happening?
It sounded like it came from behind me. Fucking scared the fuck out of me. Fuck.
Yeah, that's the basement.
Let's go. No, let's go.
Why is there a shopping? Why is there a shopping cart down there? Are we going down?
We gotta go.
There's definitely going to be someone down there. Smeagol. I remember that. Smeagol. Want to go down the basement? No, don't. Yeah, take it back. Do you think this will fit? No, it's not going to fit. No. What am I standing on? One at a time, Sean. The wood. You good, Baz?
We got one at a time.
Yeah, I think so.
An eerie feeling as soon as I came down. It's like a heavy weight on my back as soon as I came down.
Yeah, well, again, this is where some of the machinery would be. A lot.
collapse with any point. If I'm being honest with you.
Yep, 100%.
It's fucking behind. One person keep like a lot behind it.
Dude, I don't. That's a hot chick. This is fucking insane.
You probably should say yeah.
Fuck. God, that fucking.
I'm scared the fuck out of me.
We gotta get out of here. Look at this dirt that's up against this. This is insane.
I'll go last, you go.
Holy shit. You good? You good?
Yeah, it just feels so good to be able to breathe.
Yeah, I know. That was insane. That was so very like not. It wasn't claustrophobic.
Yeah, I know.
But it was.
Like, I couldn't breathe in.
Yeah.
Felt like
Breathing
someone was
out
holding
fine.
like.
Yeah.
And like the whole time we were down there, it felt like someone was like on my back. Like,
that's why I
holding
told
me
you to
down.
shine the light on
It was a
that.
big weight.
Yeah,
big
yeah.
weight.
There's definitely some weird vibe. That was definitely open. Let's go through there.
Fucking right.
Save the camera from it. What's wrong? What's wrong? Dude, what looks new and what looks old?
Yes, this
Dude, what is that? It looks like a... no idea. Because of this stuff that's new. Someone's been here recently, like that box. It's wood and it's been arranged. I mean, I know we haven't explored this place fully though. Yeah, it's heaps more.
we can't go because of
Upstairs especially.
like floorboards and like the water.
I'm thinking if we go outside and around for a bit, don't shine the flashlight. Because I know there's got to be something through this way. There's someone up there. Fuck. Fucking hell, guys. What have you done? Dude, there's someone up there. There's a flash. There's someone up there. I saw a flash. Unless it's cars from coming. But I'm not sure.
There wasn't a car coming. I didn't see it, but I'll take your word for it.
Yeah, no, legit. That's lightning. It's fucking lightning. I thought there was a flash and it's fucking lightning. Oh shit. Dude, we gotta go through that door, that door gate.
Go quick.
Yeah, run. Actually, run. Dude, there's a light.
Dude, it's a room. Really?
Dude, there's a light on down there, look. There's a light. Look, it's lit. It's
Oh
lit.
yeah, I know. Why?
There's someone in there.
No, that's the street light.
You
She'll walk past me.
Next, shine the light.
Oh fuck. No, I'm getting out of there. that smelled like. Dude.
Go, get out.
Yeah, exposed.
Let's go. We gotta go.
Okay. So I think we're gonna go to the. What was that?
That was not right.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Someone obviously wanted some privacy. There's no way we can get through that. What?
It was a splash.
Yeah, from the roof drips, maybe. Maybe. Do you hear that? Do you hear that?
Yeah, it's like a gate.
There's someone fucking with us right now. Dude, there's someone fucking with us right now. There's actually someone here. Dude, I'm getting numb, I'm feeling weird. This is weird. This is weird. I'm not sure what. You good? You good?
No, there's just.
What's wrong? You keep looking at this area, bro. What? You see that coming down the stairs? Oh, what the fuck? I shit you not. I shit you not. I saw something coming down the stairs. I shit you not. There's something coming down the fucking stairs. What? Dude, I want to get out of here now. Like, I genuinely saw something move. Something moved down the stairs.
It's just a friendly neighbourhood fireman.
I said dripping all of a sudden got really fast.
Yeah.
Even else
Getting
noticing
in.
it.
Something's running down metal. Running down metal. Listen.
What's that?
Dude, what is that?
Dude, I'm gonna get it. Let's get out of here. I think someone's gonna be coming soon. There's gotta be security coming soon. We're gonna go. Oh my god. Why can I never get this shit off my shoe? What was that? No, I'm leaving. Let's go. I'm going. I'm going. Whatever that sound was, I'm going. Go here, go here, go here. Go, go, go. Just go, just go. Don't stop, don't stop. Just in this shit. Shit, that guy just saw us. That guy just saw us get out of it. No, there was definitely someone in there.
Yeah, but we checked everywhere though.
Dude.
Legit, we checked everywhere in there.
Oh fuck, it was lightning. Dude, no, that actually, like, that was, like, that
That's
was
bullshit.
I didn't know what that was.
Yeah, no.
It was so loud.
Legit, it was like a
Like, that
bottle
was
getting
clear. Did
crushed.
you get that?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. He must have known the place really well. He'd be sneaking around, you know.
If there was
He
someone
must have
in
been
there,
some.
Unless it was like,
Maybe it was from
but
up
I
above.
don't want to
That's sick.
believe that it's haunted though. Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
It seems to
I'm not one. I'm not that scared, dude. That's sick, lightning.
Yeah, but we looked everywhere and there was no guy in there. Unless he was like a ninja.
Yeah, no. He must have known that place because he kept. What was that sound, dude? It sounded like a bottle.
Yeah. No,
Same.
legit, it was a bottle
thrown.
getting
It was something
thrown.
being thrown. It
Yeah.
wasn't footsteps.
Yeah,
Nah,
no.
but it
Oh, I got that. That was
Nah, but legit,
sick.
he didn't throw it or else it would have smashed. He like must have just knocked it a little.
Yeah, definitely. Whilst I was editing this video, I did not know how much we actually missed when we were there. Because to be honest, it was scary as fuck editing this video. And I just wanted to give a big thanks to Keo and Baz for coming along and doing this exploration video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was our first video on this channel. And yeah, check the link in the description for both my channel and Keo's channel. And yeah. See you in the next one. Peace.